You don't think of Big Bird as having an age.
No, I went with it's got to be on Sesame Street, right?
Yeah, that was a great pick first.
Yeah.
They just had their 50th a couple
Big
years
Bird
ago.
has a teddy bear always with him, and he's often the one who's like, you know, he has to have explained to him why Mr. Hooper's not around anymore, or you know, the one who has an imaginary friend. So I guess it makes sense that he's a kid, even though he towers over the other kids like Elmo or Zoe, like a yellow colossus. You said you were sure that Daniel Tiger was wrong, but actually the writers were not. They took a second to make sure Daniel Tiger is canonically not.
No, canonically he's not 6.5. He's 4.
Yeah. It turns out. So.
I could have told you that, writers.
Actual academic research went into the age of Daniel Tiger, and he is 2.5 years younger than Big Bird, apparently.
He looks great for his age, I gotta say.
I mean, they all look fantastic.
They all look great.
You gotta admit.